Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we want to finish working on our trim around the shop bathroom. So thanks for tuning in, like, subscribe. We got to get to work. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, start out with that cold air return. Get that cut out a little bit larger, get it installed. And then we can start taking some measurements for our baseboard. And for the baseboard, we're using some reclaimed cedar I've got. It's got kind of a neat varnish to it. Not 100% if I'm going to leave it wood because each piece is a little bit different in color. But then again, it is just a shop bathroom. But I might end up caulking all the seams and then painting it white, which is why I didn't do 45s in the corner. Thinking if I caulk all the seams and paint it white, you know, what's the big deal? Also, again, it's a shop bathroom, so I'm not going to invest a whole lot of time into it. So anyway, here I am just taking measurements for the baseboards, get those all figured out, pre-cut. Now on these walls here, where I can't get the tape measure into the corner, what I like to do is just measure out 10 inches, make a mark, and then measure from the other side, and then just add 10. This way I don't have to worry about the 16th or an 1/8 that you lose when your tape measure is bending into a corner. Hope that kind of makes sense. This is about the only 45 cut I did the whole time, is just splicing these two pieces together because I didn't have a baseboard long enough to go all the way across. And these baseboards actually started out as 12-inch wide planks of cedar off of old siding. So I ripped them down on the table saw to 3.5 inches and then ran them through the planer so they wouldn't be 3/4 of an inch thick, so it was just a little bit too much. So got them down to about 5/8 thick, which I thought is just right. So when I do this corner here, just to help my measurement, that bottom baseboard's going to run long, so I set that other one there just for reference, and it's less math for me to do in the long run. Alright, so we got that baseboard cut to size, and that white piece right in front of me is actually so you can release all the water from the shower valve if you're going to winterize. So I got that cut out, that installed, and here's what everything looks like. Haven't even nailed anything yet. And you can see that gap behind the baseboard. Again, I haven't nailed it flush yet. And long term, we're going to be caulking that and painting these white anyway, I think. We'll see. So here I am just running the finishing nailer. It's a Performance Max, like Menard's in-house brand. Kind of middle of the line. You know, I don't want to go real cheap on air tools. But then again, for how often I use them, I don't need the best of the best. So just bought the mid-grade. And it shoots those finishing nails just fine. So as we finish up getting everything nailed into place, a little bit of cleanup, just get some dust out of there. What I didn't show is me putting caulk down between the shower and the flooring. So I wanted that to be real clean. So here's more or less the finished product, minus the caulk between the shower and the floor there. But all in all, turned out really well, and another free project for me. So, hey, if you get a chance, like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next video.